Hello guys, I have got MacBook Air 2019 and the model number is A1932 and it's dead, not turning on. Okay, and let's try charger. The emitter here, and can you see here? Okay, where is the port here? Do you see? 5 volt, which is not correct. Other port, 5 volt, and trying to turn it on. Of course it won't turn on 5 volt. Okay, so let's remove the back panel and check if we can fix it or not. Okay, so let's check microscope. Yeah, it's clean as, see, nothing on the top. Okay, so I think I will remove the board. Okay, so we have already looked at this side. Look at the other side. Oh, I will come back microscope here. Straight away. Okay, this is what we have find out. So some moisture damage here, as you can see. I don't know what is this, but we will find out. This is type C power IC, power management IC, which is CD3215C00, the most common one, and some moisture damage here. Okay, let's otherwise the rest of the board looks clean to me. That looks like the problem, if that's the only problem. Okay guys, so I will check if I've got the board layout and the symmetric for this one. Okay, so we have got damage on U3200, on C3208, and these are and this is G3 hot. Okay, and then we have a bit of just this one here, Q3451. What is Q3451? Okay, is it Q3451? Yeah, oh, not Q3451. This is the one, Q34. Yeah, Q3451. I don't really get it from here what exactly save underscore cc1bg. Anyway, so the first thing I have to check if we have got 3.3 G3 hot here and same here, and let's find out. Come back here, microscope. Okay, I will connect the charger. Here. Okay, let's check if we are getting its G3 hot. I have to restart my multimeter. Okay, let's check it again. Nothing here. Nothing here. Okay, so we're gonna replace this. Let's take it out. So guys, we already removed U3200 and Q3451, which is this one here. The only thing I see now, one of the pad here is missing. I will go a little bit closer. Oh, sorry. So as you can see, this one here. Oh no, it's not missing, thanks God. See, it's just that I have to scratch it and tint it. That's good. I thought it's missing, so should be okay. See here. Yep, all good. Now the next thing we will be doing is put U3200 and we will look. I think I should remove this here and give them a clean and see, if they are shorted or not. Now we will address these two caps here, which is on G3 hotline. Ah, it just came out. Okay, then go. How about the other one? Should we remove it or just leave it? So we will leave this one intact. And now time to put U3200. So Q3451 I have already soldered here. I did not realize camera was not running anyway. Let's okay, so let's see if that sorts our problem. So pin number 1 is this way here. These people, they should put dots here, you know, so that you know it's all aligned. Anyway, okay. Let me check if pin number 1 is same way. Let me check here. Yeah, it's there. All good. Okay. All done. Okay. See if it's cooled down. Okay. Let's remove it. Let's clean it a little bit before we test it again. I still have to check. Okay, now we're gonna check what is happening here. It's still 5 volt. Yep. This is 20. Check the other one here. But here, that's all fixed. Okay guys, now finally there. Oh, come on. Yep, it's taking right amps. Oh yeah, finally got it going. This MacBook Air very small board, like an iPad. So yep, that's all working fine. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you in next video. Bye.